Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer 401k rollover documents using Empower beginner guide step by step clearly. To start your 401k rollover process using Empower, first, log into your Empower account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the prompts on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers section of your dashboard. Select the option for 401k rollovers from the available choices. You will be prompted to enter information about your previous employer's 401k plan. Gather your previous plan's details, including account numbers and contact information. Provide the necessary information to Empower accurately. After entering your previous plan details, select Continue to move to the next step. Empower will guide you through the rollover options available. Choose the specific type of transfer you wish to execute. Next, review the information you provided to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, submit the rollover request through Empower's system. Empower may request additional documentation to complete your rollover. Check your email regularly for any communication from Empower regarding your request. Follow any instructions provided in the emails to finalize the transfer. Keep a record of all correspondence and confirmation numbers for your files. After a few days, log back into your Empower account to verify the status of your rollover. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation from Empower. Review your new account to ensure your funds have been deposited correctly. If you encounter any issues, contact Empower's customer service for assistance. Following these steps will help you successfully transfer your 401k rollover documents using Empower. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.